magic today. You use C, D, E, F, and G with your both hands. First, put your right hand on C to G. Your right hand thumb comes on C. D, E, F, G. Put your left hand on C to G. Your little finger comes on C. D, E, F, G. First, try play C, D, and E. Let's move the left hand C, D, E. Try again, right hand C, D, E. Left hand. Try again, right hand. Left hand. One more time, right hand. Left hand. Next, try to play E, F, G with your right hand. E is a middle finger. F, G. Left hand E, F, G. Let's go from right hand E, F, G. Left hand F, G. Try one more time. Right hand F, G. Left hand. Great. So let's start playing right hand C, D, E. Left hand C, D, E. After that, move right hand E, F, G. Left hand E, F, G. Let's start from right hand C, D, E. C, D, E. Left hand C, D, right hand E, F, G. Left hand E, F, G. How do you feel? Try again. Right hand C, D, E. Left hand C, D. Right hand E, F, G. Left hand E, F, G. Try again. Right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Left hand. Are you ready to get on the hot air balloon?